Web Development 101, lesson 4, adding hyperlinks. This is project 6, your homepage navigation. This particular project, while not graded, will be part of the final big project you do. So in essence, it is graded. So you do need to do this. This isn't a choice, okay? We're going to create 3 pages, my photos, home, and pets with hyperlinks, menu, navigation, lists. We actually already have those pages created. We're going to be copying and pasting over most of the code from it. We're going to add that navigation menu to the 3 pages, and then we're going to add the hyperlinks, lists, headings, and then images and buttons. So buttons is a big one on here to make the page look nice. So we're going to click on the Start Project, and it has exactly what it wants us to do. So it says we've already provided an indexed HTML and a style CSS file that you can use. So you can do your styles separately in here if you want to. Otherwise, you can do your styles up in the top. I'm actually going to do it in the separate sheet for this one. It says we have already provided, oh yeah, I already said that. So import the style sheet. So for this one, we're going to actually import this style sheet. So you go into the head and you go right after that title. And you're going to say, actually you can just copy and paste it. You don't even need to type it. I'm just going to copy this and paste it in so that it links to this style sheet. It says add an image for your homepage, drag and drop an image from your computer to your project, or choose one from the media library. Well, this one's about me, so I'm actually going to find a picture of myself. I would suggest that you don't do that, or something that's about you. I don't know. I'm trying to think of what I would want to put on mine. I'm just going to put one of me because I'm an adult. I probably have a picture of me somewhere on this computer. I don't know though. Me? Nope. Guess not. There's my dogs. That could work. Let's do by type. JPEG files. I'm gonna go find a picture. I'm gonna pause. All right, I found a picture of me at the Pacific Ocean. I'm gonna add that as my picture. So it says to drag that over. Oh, wrong one. Poop. I'm in my wrong. Where am I? Oh, here we go. I have like a million things open. Me at Pacific Ocean. It says add your image. Drag and drop an image, caption your image, adding additional page content for your home page. So I'm going to go into the body and I'm going to add an image of me, IMG, SRC equals, and I'm going to do me at the Pacific Ocean and alt, me sitting by the ocean near Monterey Bay, California. I'll just say Pacific Ocean. It doesn't need to be that specific. With equals, I'm going to try 75% for right now and see how this looks. That's a little big. No one needs to see me that big. There we go. That's fine. All right, so now if you look at that example that they had, it says welcome to my page, and then it had the navigation. So I'm going to put something, maybe a heading at the top. Welcome to my web page. And of course, now it's not going to update. It's going to want me to save. And it's going to do this. Be a pain in the tuchus. There we go. Now the next set in the directions says to, caption your image. So I'm going to put underneath it a paragraph, and it just explained this was me. This image, say this photograph Half is me sitting by the Pacific Ocean near Monterey Bay, California in the spring of 2019 over spring break. Okay, cool. What else does it want me to do in the tutorial? Additional page content for your home page. Yeah, I didn't have the navigation yet, so just that on there so far. It says create the second web page, pets. And it says to open our other project and copy and paste it. So we're going to have to copy some files and stuff over for this. So we're going to go here and we're going to click on files, oopsies, right click and say new file. And I'm going to say pets.html. And in a new tab, I'm going to go open, so you're going to want to go to my projects and find your pets page. So here's my pets page, and there's the images that I had. I'm going to copy, so I'm going to highlight and I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to go to the pets page here and paste in that code. Now it doesn't have the images in here because those are not images that I had pulled over. So if you don't have those same images on your computer right now, you're going to need to download them and then upload them into this page. If you already have them like I did, they're right here, just grab those images, drag, and drop. And then those will show up. So there's my pets page. Yeah. Third page, photos. So I'm going to right click, new file, photos.html. And I'm going to go find I'm going to go back to my stuff here. I'm going to go to, I have to go in a different way here because I have done this so many times. Photos. Oh, man. I'm wondering how many other kids this is because I had to remix everybody's photo pages. There's no way these are mine. Nope. All right, I'm going to pause it and go look for mine. Am I? I can't pause it right now. All right, let's see if I can find it this way. No, because I don't think I did it like that. Yes, you're going to listen to me talk to myself. Sorry. Let's see if I can get this way. My favorite photos. Continue. This might not be finished. Oh, it is. It's my meme page. So I'm going to copy this. And in here, in the photos page, I'm going to paste it. Now again, when I play at those images, some of them are going to show up because I linked. Other ones I put in here, so they're not going to. I need to go find those images and drag them over. So I'm going to look at what I named them. Baby Yoda meme. That's one. I am Star Wars now. That's two. Microwave. Baby Yoda meme. I did that one. Doggos. I didn't mean to do that. Doggos. Which one isn't showing up? Or is that all of them? Oh, that's all of them. Okay, so that's all my images. So now I have those pages in there. All right, the next thing I need to do, add styles to the style sheet. Add your navigation button styles to the file, my button class. All right, so I'm going to go to my main page, or to my style sheet, and it has my button. And add the padding, and they put the font in there. What I need to add is what I want my buttons to actually look like. And I haven't styled my page yet, so I'm not quite sure. And this is something you're going to want to mess around with. But you're going to want a color for your background of your button. And I think I'll probably end up doing like, I don't know, the blue violet, and then, oh, I want that to be the background color. And I want the font color to be white. Please don't style this like that. I want to look at my, oh, I haven't done that yet. Font family sans serif is fine. Padding is fine. I'm going to do font size like 24 for right now. I might need to adjust that. It might be a little big, but we'll see. All right. Yeah, that might be big. Let's try 18. I'm going to do a cool border around my button. I want to do a border style of solid, and I want border color to be, so I'm doing a purple, like a blue violet. I'm going to do maybe a white and then a gray background. We'll see what it looks like. Border width, 2 pixels. And I want that font weight to be bold so it's nice and big. And when I want to get rid of that text decoration, I don't want the underline. I'm going to say none. All right, so I'm going to try that. All right. Now I need to actually add the navigation menu to these pages. So I'm going to go to my index page, and I'm going to go right below my heading, because that's where they had it on their page. I don't know that I would do it like that, but whatever. So we're going to make a button, and we're going to put it inside of a paragraph. So we're going to do a P, and give yourself some space. We're going to do a href equals. Now we're going to go to your main page, which is your index.html. And the class for this is going to be my button, because that's what style we had here. That's the my button class right here. This is the style we want. So on our index, we're going to reference that my button style. And I'm going to say home. Let me pull this over so you can see. All right, now the one next to it is going to be ahref equals, and it's going to be my photos. So I'm going to go to the photo page, and again I'm going to do that class equals my button, and you can just say photos, and again an ahref equals, and this is going to be pets.html, class equals my button, and I'm going to say for this my pets, because mine are specifically my pets. So when I play this now, oh, that's actually not terrible. I didn't style my background here, and if you look at my pets and my photo pages, they all have this black background. So I can go into my style sheet, and on my body, I can go ahead and add background color, black, because they all seem to have that black background color. And I can get rid of that on these pages, okay? Now my colors are a little bit different. I could go through and make everything the same here if I wanted to, where my body text colors were the same on each. But now in the pets and the photo page, I need to link the navigation to the style sheet. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to hop up into up by the title here and paste it in pet and in the photos. So now they both are going to have that black background. Now when I start at the index page, these links should go to those other pages. So I need to go back to the index and make sure the pets one goes. It does. So the links are working, which is super great. Now, what we want to do is add those same links on each page, okay? Because it makes sense to have a link back to all the pages within the same page. So go to your index page and copy this P, Control C, and go to your pets page and go up to the top here. And I'm actually going to put this at the very top. And when I hit play now, I have this link where I can go to the other pages. And I'm going to do the same thing in the photo page. I'm going to go to the very top here of the body, and I'm going to make a set of links there. And hit play, and now there's that link. Now I don't know if I really like the styling. I'm going to mess with that a little bit and see what I can do with it. I'm also going to see how I can make the styles consistent across my pages, because usually you want them pretty consistent. So I might get rid of some of the stuff that I've done here and make it consistent across the different pages. But that's up to you. This is the very basic that you needed to do for this, was be able to link back and forth. So I'm going to go to this, I'm going to go to the styles page, and I'm going to actually say text, align, and center, so that my main page does that. And then background color black, and I need to do my, is that on a paragraph? Yeah, so I need to go here and I need to say P, and I'm going to say color white. I can overwrite that in the other ones, but now you can at least see that photograph here. And heading 1, color white. You can see that now show up. And then I can continue to make all of these pages look the same. So I would go through and try to make them look more similar, okay, instead of having them look different with different fonts and stuff. But again, that's optional.